Types of welding. MIG welding machine. Metal inert gas welding machine are generally used for large and thick metals. In this, the welder needs to use a consumable wire such both an electrode and a filler materials. This process is faster than TIG welding, resulting in a shorter time and lower production cost. TIG welding machine. Tungsten inert gas welding machine are both for the metals and smaller projects because they produce precise and clean welds. The welders most use a non-consumable tungsten electrode that produces a weld. Spot welding machine. Spot welding machine is a resistance welding used for welding two or more metals shipped together by applying pressure and heat to the weld area by electric current. These machines have advantages such as effective power usage, high manufacturing rate, simple automation, and etc. Thyristor MIG welding machine. These types of welding machine are manufactured using the utmost quality of precision and hard ground parts. Most welders prefer this welding machine to fix objects or mount them on a stable surface. These machines are great for welding solid core and flux metals. Shielded metal arc welding machine. Generally, shielded metal arc welding machine works on a principles of heat produced by electric arc. These are also known as stick welding, which uses an electric current flowing through a gap between the metal and welding stick. Filler rod. Small machines are operated by both AC and DC current. Flux core arc welding machine. Flux core welding machines are generally used for welding stick metals. In this machine, the weld uses the heat generated by an electric arc to fuse the base metal and the joint area. IFCAO machines are refers to working in outdoor and indoor environments.